Land degradation and deforestation are global threats.
The health and resiliency of the world's forest is absolutely critical for our way of life.
Forestry programs don't only bring economic benefits, they bring skills and capacities to the people, and it will continue to pay dividends for the local environment and the local community.
Restoration is now a global collaborative movement, and we need to exchange ideas and lessons learned to move forward.
Now is the time to accelerate restoration action and join Bond Challenge.
When we set ourselves challenging goals and we help each other as nations achieve those goals, we create an incredible learning network that's just a win-win for everyone.
We can restore our future.
We can restore our future.
We can restore our future.